Hello friends, how are you? In previous session we already learned about horizontal circular motion. In that one, 5 applications of a circular motion or 4 applications of a circular motions we already studied. In that one, banking of a road, conical pendulum, these are applications we already studied in horizontal circular motion. Now in this session or in this lecture we are going to study vertical circular motion. In horizontal circular motion, acceleration due to gravity remains constant throughout the motion. Here, in a vertical circular motion, that motion of a particle along the circumference of a circle in a vertical plane, motion of a particle along the circumference of a circle in vertical plane here. In previous one, it is in a horizontal plane, that is in a horizontal circular motion, here in vertical plane. Now, vertical circular motion probably divided in two types. First one, controlled vertical circular motion. Controlled vertical circular motion as like that one, a giant wheel which is controlled by some object or let us say some person's giant wheel. Then second type is vertical circular motion which is controlled only by gravity. That this circular motion or vertical circular motion controlled by gravity, and this is controlled by some person or some object, let us say. These are the two types. Now while studying the vertical circular motion, let us study a point mass undergoing a vertical circular motion under gravity. Here we are going to study two cases. First one, mass tied to a string, and another one, mass tied to a rod. Difference is here we are going to study first one string and in another case rod. Suppose mass and point mass, for example let us say a simple pendulum, a point mass is tied to a string, not in a horizontal plane. Here we are going to revolve the point mass in vertical plane. That bob, here I write the 2 points, that bob performs vertical circular motion. Here the bob performs this motion, vertical circular motion, let us say in anti-clockwise direction here, and string rotates in a vertical plane. If I draw a string here, that string rotates in vertical plane, and the bob which performs vertical circular motion, that motion along the circumference of the circle. बॉबची मोशन कशी असणार आहे, along the circumference of the circle, and string rotates in vertical circular motion. This is the case mass tied to string. Here we are going to study the 4 cases. That topmost position, I here mark that topmost position by point A, lowermost position point B, let us say, any midway position at when the string is horizontal. Here two tensions I mark here, TC and TD, that is when string is horizontal, and any arbitrary position. 4 positions we are going to study here. First one, topmost position. What happens at the topmost position? Topmost position ला काय होणार आहे? Let us consider bob is revolving this one at point A. Point A, 2 forces acts on that one. First one, tension in the string, and another one, weight acting vertically downward direction. 2 फोर्सेसचा आपण विचार करत आहोत. एक आहे टेन्शन, जे मी ऑलरेडी इथे TA म्हटलेलं आहे. TA का म्हटलेलं आहे? because the tension is at point A, downward direction along the string, so TA, and another force is mg. So I write here TA and mg both are in same direction, so I write here TA plus mg. Again I recall the concept which already studied in previous sessions. When we say the force toward the center, the force toward the center म्हटल्याबरोबर तुम्हाला काय आठवायला पाहिजे? Centripetal force. TA plus mg is controlled by or given by centripetal force. So mv square upon r. Va is nothing but the velocity at point A. Let us say here Va is the velocity at point A. So I can write centripetal force is equals to mv a square upon r. R is nothing but the length of the string, or let us say the radius of the circle, which is that bob revolves in the vertical circular motion at minimum possible speed. Minimum possible speed, that the string does not slacks down at the topmost position. That minimum possible speed at minimum possible speed we can say that tension at the topmost position is 0. म्हणजे ज्या वेळेस हा सर्क्युलर वर्टिकल सर्क्युलर मोशन मध्ये असणार आहे, टॉप पोझिशनला गेल्यानंतर मिनिमम स्पीड किती पाहिजे, जस्ट टेक्स द वर्टिकल सर्क्युलर मोशन और द स्ट्रिंग मे slacks down. So we can write here TA is equals to 0. If I put the value in this equation number 1, TA is equals to 0, then we get mg, that is weight. Mg is equals to mVA square upon R. M gets cancelled. So we can write here VA square is equals to RG. If I take R to this side, so I write another step here. We can write VA square is equals to RG. So VA square is equals to RG. If I take the square root, then we get velocity at topmost position. Minimum velocity at topmost position is under root of RG. R radius, G acceleration due to gravity. Then let us consider the bob revolves and it comes at the lowermost position, that is point B here. Point B ला आल्यानंतर परत एकदा दोन फोर्सेस आपण विचार करतोय. एक आहे टेन्शन. Now here at point B, tension toward the center, but weight acts vertically downward direction. अप्पर मोस्ट केस मध्ये स्टडी करताना दोन्हीही कुठे आहे, सेम डिरेक्शन. बट वेन वी स्टडी द लोअर मोस्ट पोझिशन, टेन्शन टुवर्ड द सेंटर अँड वेट ऍक्टिंग वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड डिरेक्शन, बोथ आर इन अपोजिट डिरेक्शन. सो वी कॅन राईट TB, that is tension at point B, minus mg is equals to centripetal force. परत एकदा टुवर्ड द सेंटर म्हटल्यानंतर centripetal force mvb, where vb is velocity at point B. So mv square upon R, again the same centripetal force you can say here. To find out the velocity, we have to study the law of conservation of energy. Recall the law of conservation of energy, that energy converted into one form to another form. Here same things happen. At point A, potential energy is maximum. Here potential energy decreases. Here kinetic energy is maximum. So I write here decrease in potential energy gets converted into kinetic energy. So decrease in potential energy, formula for potential energy we can write here, potential energy is nothing but mgh. Now h, if I want to find out h, the vertical distance, let us say vertical distance, this is radius and again radius, so vertical distance is equals to, I can write here vertical distance is equals to r plus r, that is twice r. So potential energy becomes mg, instead of h, vertical distance is twice r, so mg twice r is equals to, now kinetic energy, it is converted into kinetic energy. So half of mvb square minus half of mva square. This is the change in kinetic energy. This is decrease in potential energy. This potential energy gets converted into, as potential energy decreases, it gets converted into kinetic energy. Same law of conservation of energy. So here we are going to cancel this mass of the bob. What remains? This 1 upon 2 we can take common. 2 is divided to the right hand side, we can take to the left hand side. So twice into twice, it becomes 4rg. You can here 2, 1 upon 2 is common, 1 upon 2 common, 2 is divided. After coming to this side, that is right left hand side, 2 into 2 it becomes 4rg. So vb square minus va square is equals to 4rg. I call this one as equation number 4. आपल्याला हे इक्वेशन नंबर 4 पुढे आपण वापरणार आहोत when we study the difference in a tension. So vb square, what is va square? I write here from equation, what, equation number 2. Equation 2 काय सांगते आपल्याला, va is equals to square root of rg. So from equation 2, va is equals to square root of rg. If I put the value in this equation, that is equation number 4, so vb square minus 4g minus rg is equals to 4 times rg. rg minus या साइडला घेतल्यानंतर तो प्लस होईल and we get, after taking the square root, we get the velocity at point B, minimum velocity at the lowest position is under root of 5rg. Topmost la at point A, square root of rg. lowest square root of 5rg. Remember these things. Now when the particle or the string is in horizontal position at point C, let us say, and at point D, that is horizontal. When horizontal, again weight acting vertically downward direction, tension toward the center of the circle. Here again we are going to use the law of conservation of energy, that decrease in potential energy gets converted into kinetic energy. So here potential energy mgh, what is the distance? If I say this distance is nothing but radius of the circle, so I can write potential energy is equals to mgr, जी मी या ठिकाणी घेतलेली आहे. Therefore we can write mgr is equals to half of mvb square minus half of mvc square, that is kinetic energy at point B minus kinetic energy at point C. Difference in kinetic energies is equals to mgr. Again the same mathematics we are going to apply. 1 upon 2, m gets cancelled. Take 1/2 as a common, 2 take to the left hand side, 2 into 2 here, 2 common घेतला तर या बाजूला नंतर twice of rg vb square minus vc square. Again we already find out the velocity at point B, that is square root of 5rg. So here I can write from equation number 5. From equation 5, vb is equals to square root of rg, vb square is equals to 5rg, जी मी या ठिकाणी put केलेली आहे. And after putting this value we get simply, if I take a vc square to this side, left hand side, twice rg, 5 minus twice rg is equals to 3rg. So vc square is equals to 5rg minus twice rg is equals to 3rg. After taking square root we find that vc, that is velocity at position C या बाजूला आहे, that is horizontal string ज्यावेळेस असणार आहे त्यावेळी velocity असणार आहे square root of 3rg. And last one, let us say arbitrary position. Arbitrary म्हणजे इथे कोणत्याही पोझिशनला जर असेल त्या ठिकाणी काय होणार आहे, I write there tangential component of weight is used to change the speed. That what happens when the particle performs from A to B, here motion gets accelerated, let us say at point A to B, acceleration due to gravity changes, and because of this acceleration due to gravity the speed of the particle changes, that the motion gets accelerated in downward direction. What happens in upward direction? If the particle goes or moves from B to A along the circumference of a circle, acceleration due to gravity because of this or a tangential component of weight decreases the speed. So I write here it retards. या ठिकाणी काय होतं, ए कडनं बी कडे जाताना स्पीड काय होणार आहे, इन्क्रीज होतो. ऍक्सेलरेट्स म्हणजे ऑब्विसली इन्क्रीज होणार आहे. आणि बी टू डी किंवा लेट अस से बी टू ए इन अपवर्ड डिरेक्शन इट रिटार्डेट्स दॅट द स्पीड is less than as compared to this speed. So here in arbitrary position we can say that speed increases, that is accelerates, and here from B to A it retards. This is about vertical circular motion. Let us study a second case, that when a mass is tied to a rod. Before studying the case second, let us find out difference in tensions. Difference in tension. Let us, I write here TB minus TA, that tension at lowest position to tension, or difference in lowest tension at lowest position and tension at highest position. So TB minus TA. This is a most important topic. Maybe question is asked in the exam that show that difference in tension is 6 mg, which we are going to obtain. So I write TB minus TA is equals to TB minus TA. हा आपल्याला जर फाइंड आउट करायचा असेल, we are going to use these equations we already studied at topmost position and लोअर मोस्ट पोझिशन. टॉपमोस्ट पोझिशनला आपण ऑलरेडी इक्वेशन नंबर 1 मध्ये मी TA घेतलेला आहे, इथेही TB घेतलेला आहे. सो लेट अस से equation number 3 minus equation number 1. Subtract equation 1 from equation 3. Equation 3, TB, that is tension at point B, minus mg minus TA, this plus mg. If I take a subtraction, then sign changes and it becomes minus mg, is equals to, consider right hand side here, m VB square upon R minus m VA square upon R. I take TB minus TA. हा जो डिफरन्स मला फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे तो मी या ठिकाणी घेतोय मायनस एम जी, सो इट बिकम्स मायनस ट्वाइस ऑफ एम जी. हियर ॲट राईट हँड साइड वी कॅन टेक m upon r common, m upon r, so we can write it VB square minus VA square. This is equation 3 minus equation 1. Simple mathematics आहे. फक्त आपण काय करतोय, just we are going to use the subtraction. Subtraction घेतल्यानंतर VB square minus VA square, this value is also in equation number 4. So from 4 we can write, from 4 VB square minus VA square is equals to, what is that value, 4 times R into G. If I put these values, then and minus 2 mg taking to the right hand side, we get simple equation that TB minus TA, difference in tensions at lowest position and topmost position, is m upon r as it is. Now instead of VB minus VA square, we have the value 4 times RG. This minus twice mg, after taking to the right side, it becomes twice mg plus, or plus twice mg. This r gets cancelled. What remains? 4 times mg plus 2 times mg. So we can write TB minus TA is equals to 6 mg. This is nothing but the difference in tension. The question may be asked, show that difference in tension at lowest and topmost position is equals to 6 mg, which is quite easy. Just you have to remember that diagram, or tension and acceleration due to gravity at topmost position and lowermost position. Topmost position ला दोन्हीही डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन मध्ये आहे म्हणून मी प्लस घेतलेला आहे. लोअर मोस्ट पोझिशन साठी टेन्शन टुवर्ड द सेंटर, वेट वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड, सो मी या ठिकाणी मायनस घेतलेला आहे. सो आय थिंक यू माइट हॅव अंडरस्टँड दिस कन्सेप्ट दॅट TB minus TA, that is difference in tension, is 6 mg. Now let us move towards our second case, that mass tied to a rod. Here in a string may slacks down, but what about rod? Now if this one is a rod, and if I put a point mass on this one, and this rod is revolving in vertical circular motion. अगोदर आपल्याकडे स्ट्रिंग होती, स्ट्रिंग साठी तुम्ही कन्सिडर करा की एखादी स्ट्रिंग वगैरे आहे, दोरा वगैरे आहे तुमच्याकडे, त्याला एखादा ऑब्जेक्ट दगड वगैरे बांधलेला आहे आणि मी जोरात फिरवतोय, पण टॉपला गेल्यानंतर जर मी थांबलो तर काय होणार आहे, ती वर्टिकल सर्क्युलर मोशन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. बट व्हॉट हियर, इफ आय टाईड अ मास, मी या ठिकाणी पण थांबू शकतो. सो वी कॅन से दॅट मिनिमम पॉसिबल स्पीड, दिस केस वी कॅनॉट स्टडी हियर. दॅट मिनिमम पॉसिबल स्पीड जर नसेल तर वर्टिकल सर्क्युलर मोशन होणार नाही, ही मोशन होईल, तो इथे थांबू शकतो. इट डज नॉट स्लॅक्स डाऊन. फॉर दॅट आय राईट हियर केस सेकंड, मास टाईड टू अ रॉड. What happens, that potential energy, let us say, I don't draw the diagram is the same as that of the first one, that mass tied to the string, mass tied to a rod. Here I write here decrease in potential energy, again the same topic, converted into kinetic energy. So potential energy is, here we can write the potential energy is mg. If I take point is lower side, then mg into twice r is equals to kinetic energy half of mv. lower आहे म्हणून मी इथे lowest लिहितो, mv square. So this m gets cancelled and simply we get v lowest is equals to, if I take to this side and taking square root of 4RG, or we can write V lowest is equals to 2 times square root of RG. Like this one, you can find out at horizontal position that we are studying here. If I horizontal position, instead of mg twice r, distance is r gets cancelled and we get horizontal position square root of 2rg. Here V lowest is 2 square root of 4rg. This is about vertical circular motion. Now, we stop here for these lectures, and in our group we are posting the assignment exercise depends on horizontal circular motion and vertical circular motion. 4 questions probably we are going to solve, or we are going to give you to solve. Please make sure that if you have any difficulties, please post in our group. The group is open from 10 to 1 for students. Thank you.